Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Klej, and I hope you have absolutely fabulous day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a heart-shaped wedding anniversary card. If you like it, I'm going to show you how to do it. For my card, I'm going to use nestable hearts from Creative Craft Products. In this set, you've got 14 beautiful heart-shaped dies, and I thought today is the day to use them to create that very special card. I'm going to die cut it twice using 300 GSM multi-purpose card, one for the front and one for the back of the card. When these elements are ready, then I'm going to use glittering gold from Crafter's Companion, and I'm going to use that beautiful gold card, which is double-sided, and I'm going to die cut again the same shape. So that'll be for my front of the card. As you can see, that already looks amazing. Now it is time to assemble those pieces together. And when this is ready, as you can see, I'm using my liquid glue because I will have time to maneuver the elements. Have you ever created a wedding anniversary card? If you have, what did you create? Please let me know in the comments down below. Now it is time to create a top flap on the back panel, and as usual, I'm going to use my scoring board from Crafter's Companion. You have to line it up and then use your bond folder or scoring tool to create that top flap. When this is ready, then I'm going to fold and burnish and adhere the pieces together. Super quick and simple, and that is my go when it comes to shaped cards. Do you have your favorite shape for shaped cards? If you do you use nesting dice or maybe something else? Please let me know in the comments down below. So again, I'm using my liquid glue because I can maneuver the elements and make sure they are exactly where I want. It's always a good idea to burnish that flap here, also from the inside and outside as well. So this way you're going to make sure everything will be adhered forever. And that's exactly what we want. So now it will be time to embellish the front of the card. And I'm going to use Noble Heart from Crafter's Companion. I absolutely love this cutting die set, especially with that intricate element here. So to do it, I die cut white heart first for the inside, and then I'm going to use that intricate panel, which is absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to use the outline together with the intricate, and this time I'm going to use that glitter gold. I think is simply gorgeous. And if you have any gold card in your stash, they are slightly different. I do encourage you to play with them and actually mix and match, and you'll be surprised how beautifully they work together. Now I'm going to use my liquid glue to apply that intricate element, and it is my go-to when it comes to liquid glue because I think it is the easiest way to do it. If you have a better option, please let me know in the comments down below. So as you can see, this card altogether is pretty simple to make. So if you have any nesting dice, I do encourage you to play with them, because you'll be surprised how many beautiful and quick cards you can create. All you have to do is to choose the color palette, which I think is really cool. So now when this element is ready, I need to make sure that it's adhered properly, and I always like to make sure the glue is set before I move on to the next step. So now I'm going to adhere the smaller heart on top of the big one. And if you want for this card, you can use 8 by 8 inches envelope, or you can create a box, and that will be perfectly fine. Now I'm going to use my Creative Expressions daisies. I absolutely love them. If you've seen my first communion videos, you know how much I love this cutting die set. To be honest, it is my favorite flower in my craft room, so I thought today is the day to add those white flowers on that wedding anniversary card. So what do you think about the color combo for this card? White and gold together. Do they work well, or would you change it? Please let me know in the comments down below. Throughout this video, you can also see some other videos in the top right corner where I show you how to create wedding related projects, and some of them very unique. So if you're looking for some very unusual inspiration, please check all the videos. And also, at the end of this video, I'm going to leave 2 of them there as well for you to check. So here I'm placing all the flowers here, and I needed 1 extra. So I die cut 1 more, and as you can see, I also shaped all those petals. So it makes that cut even more dimensional and special. Now it will be time for a sentiment, and to do it, I decided to use one of the best chipboards company in the UK, the Red Point. And this is amazing because you can add color using any medium that you like. If you'd like to check the beautiful chipboards, I left the link to the Facebook group in the description down below. And I have to tell you, I love the chipboards and I use them over and over again. So don't wait and check them out. Now, when I'm happy with the placement of that beautiful sentiment anniversary, I decided to add some color to it. And as I told you, with the chipboards from Red Point, you can use any color medium. In this case, I'm using Shimmer ink pad from Spectrum Noir. If you want, you can wait until the ink is beautifully dry on your sentiment, or you can use a tissue. Now it is time to die cut the numbers for that beautiful card. And to do it, I really wanted to make sure all the elements will match. So again, I used that gold, because why not? Now it will be time to check the placement of all the elements before I start adhering them on the card. So dry run is always the best option. And again, I'm going to use my liquid glue. If you want, you can use a ruler here, just to make sure those elements will be on the straight line. However, at this point I think I'm doing the good job, so I didn't use it. So when I'm happy with it, now it is time to use those tiny cutting dice alphabet from Crafter's Companion. I really like it, and at the moment it is my go-to. So here I use that beautiful gold again, and I decided to use some pearls on the flowers to give it a little bit more dimension. If you like pearls, please let me know in the comments down below. So here all the flowers are finished, and on the left we have Mom and Dad, which will go at the bottom of the card. I'm using my liquid glue for the chipboard, and then put the Mom and Dad at the bottom, and the card will be complete. Super quick, simple. So very often we want to create elegant cards, and I think white and gold is my go-to when it comes to elegant cards. With the Mom and Dad, I'm going to start with the bottom one, the middle letter first. So this way, I'm going to make sure all the letters are evenly spaced. And I do encourage you to use my trick whenever you create beautiful personalized projects, because this is the best way, and then you will know everything is spaced evenly. Now I'm going to put the word Mom, and when this is finished, all we have to do is to put that end in between, and this will be the perfect size here. So as you can see, I'm using my bond folder just to make sure everything is adhered properly. And the cut is complete. There is plenty of space to write your message inside, and you can create an envelope or box for this project. Please let me know what do you think about it. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new and leave a comment. And there will be plenty of more videos coming your way very soon. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting. Bye!